Nick Chubb injury update and potential return date. Latest news surrounding the Browns. Cleveland Browns running back Nick Chubb started the 2024 NFL season on the physically unable to perform (PUP) list, meaning he must miss at least the first 4 weeks. There were some positive reports about Chubb and his recovery during training camp. But when can we expect the Browns star running back to return to action? Let's break down the latest update. What happened to Nick Chubb? Chubb continues to make progress recovering from multiple knee ligament tears in week 2 of the 2023 season. Nobody was surprised when the Browns kept him on the PUP list to begin the season, so he'll be sidelined for the first 4 weeks at a minimum. However, with week 3 on the horizon, what is the latest around Chubb? Recently, Browns insider Mary Kay Cabot of Cleveland.com said that Chubb will likely miss the first half of the season. I think the hope was always that Chubb, on physically unable to perform for at least the first 4 weeks, would be ready midway through the season, possibly by week 8 against the Ravens, week 9 against the Chargers, or perhaps after the bye in week 10, she said in September. Expectations were raised at the Greenbrier when he was sprinting and cutting so well. But the Browns pumped the brakes to give Chubb all the time he needs to recover from the second major left knee reconstruction of his career. Chubb's fantasy outlook. Chubb is coming off a severe knee injury involving 3 torn ligaments and a dislocated knee, which complicates his recovery and future performance. There's a risk he might not regain his previous explosiveness. When healthy, Chubb has been a consistent fantasy force, averaging 15.9 to 17.3 fantasy points per game from 2019 to 2022. Even in limited action last season, he showed elite rushing ability with 6.1 yards per carry. If Chubb can return to form and give you 15 to 17 PPG for even 8 games, drafting him at his current ADP was a steal. However, here's the pessimistic scenario. At nearly 29 years old, there's a real chance Chubb won't return to his former self. He might end up in a timeshare or could even re-aggravate his injury, making him a risky stash. While there's a league-winning upside, the uncertainty around his recovery and return timeline makes Chubb a risky fantasy asset.